Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for personal care and hygiene business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to sign up for free so you can get started free. So let's get started. Okay, now it will take you to the dashboard. As you see here, this is the dashboard. So wait a few seconds. Now here click set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page. So here where you gonna design your site and customize your site. So go to the settings and go to the templates and select here the templates you wanna use. So for the personal care and hygiene, which might be this health and beauty business. Okay, so you can choose one of these templates here. So this is as your, it depends on your business. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so as you see now, the first thing here, you have to go to the header in the menu and enter your company name. After this, you can manage this navigation menu, so you can delete all these menu items. You can add yours and you can keep it if you like it, if it matches with your business. The design here of any section on your site, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. And make sure, don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size and like the frame. You can add the frame outline, the background. So that's it. After this, go back. Let's move on to the cover and the headline. Here you have to enter the tagline. You can enter the title. So for example, you can type uh, hygiene. Okay, wait a few seconds. And here you can use this space to introduce your business to your customers. You can type welcome to our site for personal care and hygiene, just like this. um, of course here the image you can change it if you want, and you can keep it if it matches your business. So in the design you can choose your favorite one. I'm gonna change the description and the font. That's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. So here in the store section you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. As you see here, click on new product, and here you have to add the products gallery. Take a picture of your product and add it here, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and here you can customize the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. So that's it. After you're done from this place here, save this place and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, the product name, the product image, and the product price. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next. So as you see here, after and add the title and the subtitle, you can use this space here to talk about your products and your products and your services and how are they made and what makes them unique and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. So you can explain this to your customers. That's it. After this, go to the design and choose your favorite design here. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. So Here you can change this image if you don't like it, and if it's match your business you can keep it just like this. Don't forget the description and the title. The same thing here in the design. Choose your favorite layout here, so just make sure don't forget to add the simple details. So the simple details is important to make your site looks attractive. Now let's move on to the customer reviews. I'm gonna use this title here, customer review. Okay, as you see here, if you want to add the review text you can click here, and you can add the review text and the author name and the rating. Okay, so that's it. After this go to design and choose your favorite layout here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, is delivery information. Okay, so nothing special here, just the same thing as normal. You can use this description to talk about your purchase and your items, the delivery informations. The design, the same thing as normal. Choose just your favorite layout. The color, don't forget to add the color, your favorite color for your theme and for your template. Now let's go back. So the next section, the contact section. So nothing special in the first here, the description and the location, the title. Here you have to enter your business address. You can enter the exact postal address or the plus code. Don't forget the hours, the daily hours of your work or your business. Okay, and you can enter here the contact information and the social profiles. And the design, I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. It's much better than the other ones for me, so you can choose whatever you like. This is just for me. Okay, let's go back now. Let's move on to the footer section. So here you have to just enter your company name for the copyright, and that's it. After you're done, go back. If you want to add something, you just click here, add section, and you can select here what kind of section you want to add on your home page. So that's it. If you're done from here, you can just publish your website, and now your site will be published. You can start it and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.